Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about if your YouTube video loading slowly, how you can fix this. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. In your browser, in YouTube, click on the gear icon of your click on the gear icon, and here you need to select your quality 480p. Select this one, and then if this issue is not solved, restart or reload this page. If this time also this problem is not solved, then you need to close your browser or tab. Or if you open multiple tab on your browser, then you need to close this tab to reload faster. Or you can also restart your computer to solve this problem. Sometimes a simple restart of your computer can clear temporary data, resolve performance issue. Or this way you cannot solve your problem, then try another way. Open your browser again. Open your browser setting. Go to privacy and security, and here you can see deleting browsing data. Select this one and delete all this data of all time. So everyone you can delete in advanced option and click on delete data. So that's how you can delete your cache file in your browser. Or if you are not happy with this result, then go to your browser extension. You can delete or remove your extension from your browser. So I'm going to remove this to load faster. So guys, this way you can solve this problem and you can run your video faster in YouTube. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.